visitor center in the sun. Oh, so good we get pineapple Dole Whip when we leave. Very cool. We'll definitely have to get that. Visitor center, very kind of small. Okay, so up here is a nice little pavilion, picnic area, bathrooms. Okay.
We can have lunch here, Mama.
We could, but we won't be here for lunch.
They were switchbacks. They're on the original 1908 route. 74 steps leading to the tunnel. Almost 225 feet long.
54.
So when we come out of the tunnel,
they're laughing at Blakely. Blake is up here saying she's already tired.
Stormy skies underneath the night. You are my light shining oh so bright. When the world feels cold, when I'm feeling low, you are my glow. In your love I know you are my hope, the light in my soul.
If they expect everyone to do this in 2 hours, they're crazy.
You make me whole. You are my goal. Every single day, in every little way, you got my path, drive my fears up.
That's where we're going.
they got a picture of the sun.
Your motion there.
Once I start going,
Thank you, you're not wearing your front trim hat.
Yeah, quite busy. Especially we're at the 8 to 10 a.m. time period, which probably is the most popular, honestly. Oh god, there's big step. Quite busy. 8 o'clock. Check it out. People everywhere. That's where we're headed. Do you have seats every so often? Ew. You should be really cool. That's where we're headed. It's a neat, cool picture. So beautiful. It is a step. So I guess we're going to do stairs first before we get to the tunnel? Oh, it was not accessible. It does have stairs. What is that pipe, I wonder? This light up here is what it is.
When I can't stand tall, when I'm about to fall, you catch my tears, disappear my fear. You are my hope, the light in my soul.
Some stairs. There's the loop trail, so that's what we're gonna do. So it is quite strenuous. So it is pretty strenuous. So do be aware of that. But you got tunnels and stairs. Super, super fun. It's like 1.3. You do need to be pretty good fitness in order to do this. My parents are coming for this and they're trying their best. It's gonna be a great view, but it is hard. It's only like 1.3, 1.5. I feel like we're getting close to it. But yeah, I love it. I think it's been super fun. I definitely like it. But you only get 2 hours to do it, so do keep that.
Thank you, look at the lighthouse down there. See it? See the trees?
Oh, there's a lighthouse.
I can't kill flies with everything.
Allez, on s'attaque les escaliers.
You made me whole.
Oh yeah, it's one of the...
Great right here. This is the shot.
Oh yeah, here's the lighthouse. Yeah. Check out the bunker, guys. That's a cool military bunker right here. Yeah, that's where we're going. Careful the step, see it? Very cool. That's the bunker. Very cool. Yeah, we'll go over there in a minute. Look, this is what it would look like to be a gunner. See, watch your step. You could have a gun right here shooting. Isn't that cool? Here's the bunker. Very cool. Right down this way. Where'd Blakely go? Over there she is. Over here, Blakely.
Daddy, I really want that.
You made it. The checkout.
Yeah.
Okay.
I really wish, but there's no.
I think that's like another bunker. So this is Waikiki Beach right here. So then what I understand is that Pearl Harbor is like on over. Right. Waikiki Beach, and then I think Pearl Harbor, and then Alani's on around. So amazing. It's right into the crater. I love it. Back to the bunker. So this is your exit. So this is the exit, but it doesn't really tell us that. So they need to have better signs. I think it's causing some of the confusion. Now we're in a line to get out. Yeah. This is so cool when I come out this bunker. Isn't this cool, Joel? Now that's a view coming out. Gracious, watch your step. Make sure you watch your step here. Down the stairs we go. All right, we're gonna go around again because Mom is now rested. Now she's gonna go up, but I will tell you it is very strenuous, so do accordingly. But I don't know how much time went down, but we got all the way up to the top and around the loop before the tunnel at 9:08. So that would have been like about an hour and 15. And we just stopped quite a lot, but we didn't walk super slow. So, but yeah, you could definitely do it quicker or something. But it's gonna take you every bit of 2 hours to do it for sure. So just be aware. But I don't think they're really checking for anything. No, I can't see it.
The hotels.
Yeah. Oh, I see the pool. Yeah, sort of, not really.
What it is.
You are my goal. When I can't stand tall, when I'm about to fall, you catch my tears, disappear my fear. You are my hope, the light in my soul. You made me.
Very cool. Kind of bird. So cool that this is the crater. We're inside the crater of the volcano. The Diamond Head crater. It's so cool. Now we're gonna head back to do either Dole Whip or Hawaiian Ice. Alright, we've now done it. We're on our way back down, getting Mom and Dad back down, and the girls are already at the car. It is 9:34, so we should make it back in time, no problem. Then we'll go from here on to Pearl Harbor, so check us out there. So make sure you hit like and subscribe, never miss an episode. So thanks for joining me here at the Diamond Head Crater and Summit Hike.
You made me whole.